I feel like we have a team at TransUnion. They have the human resources, they have the technology to give us the solution that we're seeking.
I can count on a team that's not only seasoned but very successful, and it means the world to us. We know that we can go to TransUnion and they're going to get us the right guys on this for us, and it really feels like it's a great strategic business partnership.
You know, having that team and that support system behind us, it's paramount to our success.
I can actually talk collection lingo to, our rep, and he actually knows what I'm talking about. I think that's amazing. I don't know of any other vendors that really have a dedicated third-party team, if you will, and I really appreciate that.
We have never presented a problem or issue to them that they've not been able to address for us.
You've got like 3 6-year plans out of where you want to take the company, which is really interesting because that's kind of the same place we're at with our organization, and having a partner that's on that same base is great to have.
We view TransUnion's sales team as an actual division of our company.
I've always felt a good personal relationship with the folks at TransUnion, and then that builds for a healthy business relationship.
A lot of people feel like a partnership is a 90-10% kind of split, but to me, it's where we can both succeed together.
The relationships that we have with the TransUnion team is great. They always want to know what we can do, where they can provide help, where we can get assistance and move our organization forward, and it's value-added feedback both ways.
When you have a partner and you feel like somebody has your back, that's very comforting. In this tumultuous industry that we are all working in, it's nice to know that somebody has your back.